So what we're doing is, y'all see it, we're installing a 180 degree thermostat. Right now, I have the towels and everything laid down, and we're going to put this bad boy in. Right now, we're using a 1.5 to basically get this all off, etc. But yeah, so let's get it. Got my towels laid down and the baggie to pretty much catch the coolant to put it back in. So, still dripping out a little bit. Yeah, not dripping, but more so pouring. So just apply pressure there. Don't want all of it. So, anywho, we got the bolts off. They're there. So I'm about to hurry up, put the baggie back under there. That way I can catch it. We caught most of it, a lot of it, but a lot of it did leak out. But we want to pour the rest back in. And when you do install, make sure that little tip that you see right there at the top, always facing up. So the old one's right there. The new one is in. All right. We are over. We want to check the temp with the 180 degree thermostat. And there's no check engines. There's nothing that popped up, so we're gonna bounce on the freeway to see what it looks like. Woo! Thing does get going. Normally does climb. Oh look, it's going down. It was at 88, then it dropped down to 185. I like it low like that. And if y'all see my PSI is going like this right now, I have a street tune, so there's a street tune and a transmission tune as well, so it idles up and down like that, as you can see. But yeah, it looks like it's just sitting at 186. Going up a little bit. But normally it used to shoot up like really fast, but now it's cooling. The old thermostat used to sit at about 203, 204 when I'm on the freeway cruising or got the AC on. The AC actually keeps it a lot cooler, believe it or not. But yeah, so let's bounce on this freeway and see what this thermostat is doing. good. 185. Nice and cool. Instead of sitting it was sitting at, the old one was at 204, 205. And then when I'm at an idle and when I'm just at a light, it will go all the way up to about 220, about 221. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I will be dropping a probably a few more. I'll probably do another a POV, because it is street tuned. I have yet to drop a video of how it accelerates. Unfortunately, I don't have any traction. I have Pirelli P0s on the car currently, and I am running 22 inches by 12 in the back and 22 by 11 and a half in the front. So these are custom SF10 wheels, SF10 stance wheels. So, but yeah, unfortunately, I don't have any traction. 0 to 60 type. But yeah, if y'all like the video, please like and subscribe.